Love you, Mush.
Hi, how are you?
Good, Jay.
Where are you from?
I'm from the UK.
UK.
Yeah.
Okay. I am from Bangladesh.
Where?
Bangladesh.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Did you hear about Bangladesh before?
No.
Okay. It's beside of India and China.
I've never gone abroad, so I won't know.
I can't understand. Please speak loudly, please.
I've never gone there.
Okay. I also never go there.
I've never travelled anywhere. No.
Okay, but I hear before that, I mean, British people are so rich, they can travel anywhere.
Yeah, I know, but I've never travelled.
Okay. You have never traveled any country.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Wow, your eyes is so beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you, Mush.
Wow. Can you show me your eyes clearly? Wow. So nice. What's your name?
My name is Chloe.
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 No.
Why I can't pronounce it?
CCHLOE. Chloe.
Chloe.
Yeah.
Okay, Chloe. Okay. Why I can't see your full face? Why you hide half?
Because it's ill.
You looking so beautiful.
Thank you, Mush.
Your hair is also so beautiful. Wow.
Thank you, Mush. Look, my nails.
Can
Beautiful, isn't they?
wow. Is it diamond? It's your finger.
Yeah, no, my nails, look at my nails, yeah, like them, Mush.
Very nice decorate. Hello. Hi.
That's my sister.
Can you wear your glasses? Can you wear?
Alright, Mush.
Wow. You are queen.
Go on, mate, go on. She's looking like a child. No, I'm going to give you a follow. You're my G.
Who is she beside you?
What?
Who is she beside you?
What are you saying, Mush?
Your friend?
No, she's my sister.
Oh, sister. Okay. Hello, sister. Don't be shy.
Hey.
Don't be shy.
She's just been asleep, so she's bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you looking so young. How old are you?
16.
16. But I thought you were
You
50.
think I look younger? You think I look younger? Wow, Mush, that's not allowed.
Yeah. You're right. So, do you know how old am I?
No.
Can you guess?
24.
Wow. It's nearly.
25.
No. I'm 23.
Right, Mush, I've got to go, Mush.
Okay.
Bye. Yeah, I've already followed you, and we can be friends, you know.
Okay. Hey, Chloe.
I'm going for my dinner now.
You are so sweet girl.
Thank you.
Welcome. Your sister also so sweet.
Thanks. Thank you.